Hey, what is going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com, back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today is an awesome day for cryptos. We are coming off the back of the Federal Reserve here news that they raised interest rates by a quarter point, and actually on the back of this news, crypto has been pumping. You'll notice here in the last 24 hours, most cryptos are green, and one of the biggest outperformers is none other than Litecoin here. Top 15th spot. We are up 5.9% in the last 24 hours alone. And up 13% in the last 7 days. You'll see here that we are right below $100. Okay, I've long been calling for this price target to be hit this year, and I don't think we're going to stop at $100 here. We have a lot more room to move up for Litecoin, and Litecoin has been one of the strongest performing coins here, up almost 40% in the last 30 days alone. So heavily outperforming the rest of other cryptos, and as we speak right now, it just hit $100. This is great news for anybody who's holding Litecoin. You'll notice here that, of course, $100 is a big psychological resistance level. That was a previous area where we would face resistance here. Do I think this is going to be a problem to get above? Absolutely not. Okay, I think with the strength that's in the market, with the strength that Litecoin has, especially this picture perfect uptrend that it's been holding, and in fact it's been starting to take even more steam here. It really is setting itself up for a full-blown breakout. You'll notice here that we have an even steeper uptrend line that is beginning to form right over here. So we are actually moving up even faster than expected. Of course, eventually we'll get a bit of a pullback, but right now you'll also see that on the RSI here, we are breaking out as we speak. Okay, so little signal there, little hint. We are just about to get back above the 70 line, and in this type of situation, when we get back above the 70 line, which is normally overbought territory, this is not going to be a problem, because this is going to be signaling the breakout above $100. So that's going to mean that we're going to be very bullish here and should manage to pump quite a bit higher. MACD is also looking fully positive, and if we look at the histogram, you'll notice that we just flip back into green. Okay, so I'm expecting us to get a basically, another move, kind of like what we got back here, right, which was basically a 40% move. And of course, from this $100 price point, right, that's going to put us somewhere right around $140 to $150 next. So I'm expecting that to happen within the next month or two for Litecoin, because I am expecting Litecoin to really outperform the rest of the crypto market here, because we should manage to see Bitcoin also head towards 25k plus. So Litecoin should outperform that. And if we actually go ahead and look at the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart, you'll notice that Litecoin has actually been managing to outperform Bitcoin, which is not easy to do. Okay, Bitcoin is usually one of the strongest cryptos out there, but this is very, very key what we're seeing on this chart right now. So first off, it's important to manage that this long-standing downtrend, okay, which has been around since 2018, so way before this most recent crypto bear market, this long-term downtrend that has been lasting for years, where Litecoin has not been outperforming the price of Bitcoin, has officially been broken out of. Okay, we broke out of it back here, but what's even more important, right, is after hitting a bottom, we have actually been very, very quickly starting to outperform Bitcoin. And we are setting ourselves up right now to get our next big breakout on the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. So this chart directly tells us how Litecoin is performing to Bitcoin. And if it's performing worse than Bitcoin like it was during this whole time period here, it makes no sense to own Litecoin, right? You could just own Bitcoin and you would perform better in every way, both when it was going up and down. But now, okay, the tides have turned. We are not in this downtrend anymore. We are now in an uptrend where Litecoin is outperforming Bitcoin. And on top of that, in the more short term here, you're going to notice a little flag formation that was painted. So we can see right here that this flag is now being created here. Actually, I can draw this out even in a more short-term time frame, and you'll notice that we just have maybe a little bit of consolidation left before we should manage to get our next big breakout on this, right? This last breakout pushed us up quite substantially, and I think we're going to get our next one to push us to a ratio of 0.0072 right up here to the next resistance level. So keep an eye out for that. That's for a Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. As far as the Litecoin to USD chart, we are looking after this breakout here for a move to $140 to $150. And overall, great performance for Litecoin. Congratulations to all Litecoin holders. I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for this for quite some time. And the good news doesn't stop there, right? Because although, you know, we may go up to $150 and pull back a bit, consolidate a little bit, we are also looking into the higher ranges here, okay? It may take a little bit longer to get there, but we are expecting, you know, in the next bull market for Litecoin to be a very strong performer and to move above $500. I'm personally hoping that we see Litecoin finally hit that $1,000 price point, okay? That would be a very big milestone for Litecoin. And you need to remember that Litecoin, you know, year over year always tends to perform, right? I mean, in both bull markets, we got the pump, right? And so this time around, we are hoping that we're going to take out this this $414 area, which has been, you know, causing the Litecoin price to peak each time. I think this time here, third time's a charm, right? We got the first time, the second time, and on this third run, I think that we're going to manage to fly above that finally. So Litecoin now officially above $100, and I don't think we're going to stop there. I think we're going to go much higher. So keep an eye out for that. This was the technical analysis that I wanted to give you all for today. Thank you all for watching. If there's any other coins you want me to take a look at, just leave a comment down below. Subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and make sure to go follow me on Twitter as well for live market updates. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.